welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing my super easy winter morning skincare routine. So let's get started. First I'm going to be using this Dot & Key serum that suits my skin a lot. I'm using just 4 to 5 drops of it and patting it on my skin. Next I'm moving to the serum and I'm using this minimalist serum. This is their 2% alpha arbutin face serum for pigmentation, acne marks as well as dark spots removal. It infused with hyaluronic acid, so it's great for my skin and especially for my acne prone skin. For the next step, I'm topping it off with a Dot & Key Day Serum. It's actually nothing but just boost the moisturization level to my skin, and it's super dewy and gives me a very dewy finish and feels really soft on the skin. After that, I will be moving to an eye cream and I am using the Mom's Co eye cream. Though it doesn't work for the dark circles, but it definitely worked on my puffiness and gives me a very soothing and refreshing feeling around my eyes. For the moisturization, I am using this Bellora Paris Vitamin C Brightening Moisturizer. It has SPF 50, so it's very good for the protection from the sun's UVA and UVB rays. It fades the dark spot and blemishes, and the best part is it regulates the sebum production on the skin. The final step of this skincare would be a sunscreen, so I'm using this minimalist multivitamin SPF 50 sunscreen. It's a very lightweight sunscreen and it actually protects the skin from the broad spectrum UVB and UVA. Now it's formulated with 4 very effective UV filters, and that's why it's actually very nice on the skin, very soothing, and maintains the pH balance of the skin as well. Lastly, I'm using this lip balm from the Dot & Key and it's super plumpy and feels really smooth on the lips, and finishing it off with a very nice and good feeling on the skin. My skin feels super healthy after this skincare routine. You guys can see the glow, and after that I do my normal makeup and it feels really good. And yes, with that note, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys do, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share it with your friends. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Until next time, bye, take care, stay happy and stay healthy.